21 Amazing Health Benefits of Oregano Tea to Boost Your Immune System. Welcome to Jada Therapy. Oregano organic spice gourmet herb is also a culinary herb staple of Italian cuisine. Oregano can now be easily purchased from any outlets so that you brew your powerhouse cup of herbal tea. You can use the dried or fresh oregano to accomplish this. Oregano tea contains vitamin K. 21 Amazing Health Benefits of Oregano Tea to Boost Your Immune System. Rich in antioxidants, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-cancer properties. Fights against free radicals. Treats herpes simplex virus. Reduces inflammation. Improves immune system. Treats menstrual cramps. Treats arthritis. Treats urinary tract infections, UTI. Treats rheumatoid arthritis. Treats headaches. Treats earaches. Treats sinus pain. Treats heart conditions. Treats intestinal parasites. Treats colds and flus. Treats respiratory issues. To name just a few. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.